Springboro, where the tall trees touch the sky. A warm front door, a place to breathe at 180 Eleanor Drive. Sunlight falls through skylights on hardwood glowing gold. Every room has a story, every corner feels like home. Come on home to Eleanor Drive, where the waterfall comes alive. Move on up, move on in my home. This is where your heart can roam. Between Cincinnati and Dayton, it's the perfect place to call home. From the deck to the firelight, everything here just feels right. There's granite in the kitchen, 2 ovens ready.